Now, the other way you could have done the data is if you had this internet like this, you could have had a spreadsheet more like this. Let me zoom in a little bit. Where you have, now I scaled everything so that it was 0 through 5 instead of 1 through 6. And so then 0 links to 1, because in my picture 1 links to 2, and so on and so forth. And some sites link to 3, some link to 2, some link to 1. So then I can write this code here. So if you look at, this is equals concatenate, and then you do something like V, and then the first blue is the first number, and then equals 1/3 times. So you do this concatenate thing with your 3. And so then if you take this and copy it for all the sites that have 3, now look, because that's the 0 matches the 0, 5 matches the 5, the 0 here matches the 0 there, the 2 matches the 2, and the 3 matches the 3. And then you'd have to come up with something different for when you have 2. So for instance, copy this, and then for 2, I'd go in and change it to be 1/2 and only include the first 2. And so then I have that, and copy that for the other time there's 2. And then I'd also copy it here and then change it to be just E. Go. I think that'll do it. Yes. Oh, error issue. Inconsistent formula. What's the issue? VA4 equals, I think it's fine. Okay. So V2, there we go. Okay. And so then I could take this code and copy that, and then bring it into my my code. And so I'd go back to the Sage spot where I have the Google type matrix Markov chain defined. And I'd say, well, this time I need to say E equals identity matrix. In this case, I have 6 websites, web pages, columns, and then I copy in there, and then so then I copied in the code that I got there, and then I say G equals matrix, and then V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, and then a savvy Excel user could probably come up with a way of generating that with concatenate as well. Notice I do the .t's because I'm putting them in as columns. My starting vector is the same. I do it. Oh no, identity matrix. I have an extra. Identity has no N in it. All right. So make sure not to spell anything incorrectly. Make sure not to, so my vectors are called V0 through V5, not V1 through V6. So again, try not to make any mistakes. And there we go. It's the same thing. It's actually the same web page and the same matrix. So it gives me the same Google PageRank. So that's how to do it if you had your data in the other form. All right. Thanks. Bye.